Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today is the 1st of January 2025, so Happy New Year to you all. And I'm taking part in the Stamp Around UK video hop. So there will be a list of everyone else taking part in this hop in the description for this video, so please do check them all out. Our theme for this month is a colour challenge, and we have Bubble Bath, Balmy Blue and Granny Apple Green. So I'm using that palette as an excuse to play with this new heart-shaped Sale-A-Bration stamp set and dies. Okay, so these products are only available between 7th of January and the 28th of February 2025 with a qualifying spend. So the products themselves are free, but you need to spend. And for these ones, I'm just going to double check exactly what they are without actually revealing the inside of this yet, because it hasn't gone live yet. So the heart-shaped bundle is free with a £110 purchase or €140. So check out the Sale-A-Bration brochure within your own market if you're not in the UK or Ireland or our European markets. So lots of lovely things in that. Can't show you it at the moment, but the brochure will be available on my website from the 7th of January. So not too long to wait. Okay, so I'll just reveal those dies again. So you've got stamps that coordinate with the die, these sentiments. Some of them will fit in this die, and then you have dies that will just cut out pieces. So I'm going to use that for some decoration. I'm going to make a quick little box, a pizza style box, and my measurements for this are 5 inches by 9 1/4. Just get my scoring board here and just make sure that I'm in shot. Okay, so where's my little tool? There it is. I want to score this at 3/4 of an inch, and then I need to work this out because I haven't written it down. And then 3.5. It's just, I will have all of the measurements in the description. So 3/4 plus 3.5 equals 4 1/4. And then 3/4 will take us to 5. And that will be 8.5. I can do that math. It's just the first bit was... Oh. And then I want to score that at 3/4. On that side all the way down to the bottom, and I'm just going to flip it around and do 3/4 all the way down to the bottom there as well. Okay, so let's get a bone folder and just reinforce those score lines. So to fit in with the colour challenge, I am using a Balmy Blue card. Okay, let me grab my paper snips, and I'm going to cut that centre piece there and just give it a little choppy chop. And do the same on the end one. Just taking out a little wedge either side there just to make it easier to fold. A little less bulk in the corners. And then a little chop off that side too. Okay, so we have that on that side. I want to do exactly the same on this side. So just cutting up to the first horizontal score line on all of these, and just taking a little thin wedge out, leaving my rectangles untouched and just chopping into these squares. Easy. I think I can get rid of my calculator now. All right, so this square here is 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I have just taken that down to 3.25. No, I didn't. I did 3 3/8 of an inch. And I'm going to put, I've already gone ahead and die cut a few bits and pieces. So that is going to go on there. But I think I actually also want to stamp that little wreath in the background with Granny Apple Green. Virgin stamp, love it. I'm just gently peeling that off from the background there. There we are. And does it fit on this block? Yeah, it does. Awesome. Right, let me get my Granny Apple Green. I'm just going to take that out of the way for now. I just want to stamp that. Now, I have not used this before, so it might take a little bit extra ink to get it. Oops, nearly dropped that there. Roughly centre. You get the benefit of seeing that from right above. I do not. So you'll be able to tell whether it was straight before I could, but yeah, it's close enough. And that does just give that little extra bit of detail on there. And does it need anything else? It's a tiny little stamp. I don't know why I'm looking in there. Tiny little stamp of green as well. Let me get my teeny tiny block. And I'm just going to extend this a little bit here and there with this cute little extra stamp. Just fill up a little bit more space on here. Oops. So that didn't stamp very well. Not the stamp's fault, entirely mine. We do a couple of little extra bits here and there too. Just did it again. Try again. That's better. What is wrong with you women? Okay, it's not perfect, but it will do. Just going to add a couple of extra little bits around. Just to fill some more of that lovely white space. A little bit off the edge too. And just remember to clean my mat. That will do nicely. Right, okay. Got that. I've got this. I need to put some little bits of glue. And I should not been in my craft room for a while with all the festivities. But I really wanted to start playing with more of this gorgeous new products. And pop that on there like so. Just use my bone folder to press that down a little. That'll do. Now we have some lovely sentiments on this, and I am going to use Just Because I Care. And let me grab another block that might be clean. Do that at an angle, I don't mind. Right, I have already used the die from the set to cut this, and I'm going to stamp it with Balmy Blue. And again, first time using, so I want to kind of saturate it. I think I might have had that stamp on a little bit squinty. Yes, I do, but it'll do for now. And to bring in the other colour, which is Bubble Bath, I have already die cut some of those pretty little flowers, and they will go on here. I'm gonna just pop the first one on with a little bit of glue like that, and then I need to get my mini dimensionals, I think. And I've got a pair of tweezers here that I'm just going to give a little bit of definition to these. In fact, I'm just going to bend it like that. And on one more with it down like that, and then I'm going to try a mini dimensional in the middle. It's probably a tiny little bit big, but we'll go with it. If I can get the back off, there we go. So that one is going to go there like that. I did cut some extra little leaves. I'll see if I decide to use them or not. That really is squint, but never mind. Few little dimensionals on the back of that. Managed to take two at the same time there. Take the backings off, and then we can actually think about assembling. So we've got that Just Because I Care, which is very squint. And I think I might put one of those on there. Tiny little bit of glue. And it's kind of like the wreath goes over that there, and then I've got a smaller one I could do. And that one goes in the right direction. So let's do that. Touch a little bit of glue. There we are. How sweet is that? I am going to add one in there too. Just like that. Then that can go on top of my box. That is so cute. So cute. Right, so base of the box, I need to add glue to these 4 tabs. And then just bring that around, lining up the edge of the card with that score and folded line. Like so. 4th one. So I can't wait to see what everybody else does with this colour combination. Right, so we need some glue on these 2 tabs. Okay, and I'm going to fold them in like so, and then bring that down. Okay, so we get a snug fit there. And hold it in place. These bits will spring out, that's not a problem. And you could use a punch to do a little thumbnail in there. And I've just got a few tea lights that would fit in there. We might actually fit an extra one in there, but plenty of room like that. And I think we need some little gems just in the centre of those flowers. Let's go with iridescent pearls, and that's little ones. See if I can pick it up. One in there. Might have been easier to do it before I did the top one on, but never mind. We'll live and learn. Where did that one go? Oh, do you know what? I think I've left the adhesive behind. Let's just do that. I can sort that later. And I think I will go with a larger one for the one on top. There we have it. So this is using Bubble Bath, Balmy Blue and Granny Apple Green. Please remember to check out the description for this video to get links to see what everyone else creates with these colours. And just as a final reminder, I have used the heart-shaped stamp and die set that you can earn for free during Sale-A-Bration, which runs from the 7th of January to the 28th of February 2025. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get notification the next time I upload a tutorial. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.